Why do we need 4 separate names for each of the notes of the major scale? Part of the reason lies in the fact that each of those names is useful for a different purpose. We've already seen how solfege syllables can be useful when we're singing, or how letter names can be useful when we're trying to pick out notes at the piano keyboard. So what's the use of scale degrees and those names that we gave to each of the notes of the scale? Let's see if we can investigate that. I'd like to start off with a little demonstration. I'm going to play a major scale from scale degree 1 almost up to, but not quite up to, scale degree 8. I'm going to end off on scale degree 7. And I'm going to add a little bit of harmony just to heighten the effect here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice, if I leave off right there on scale degree 7, something sounds unfinished. Something sounds like it's not quite right. And I can't set it right until I get all the way up to scale degree 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need to go all the way up to 8. And then once I get to 8, then I feel like I can stop, or I've come to a place of rest. A similar thing happens on the way back down. If I go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then I don't go all the way back to 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Notice again, it feels unfinished. It feels like I haven't gotten to where I need to go until I go back to 1. It's almost like there's a certain gravity to scale degree 1 or to scale degree 8. It's pulling all the other notes to it. Same thing going down. And that word tonic, the word that we use for scale degree 1, part of what that word is getting at, or part of what is contained in that word, is that gravity or that pull of scale degree 1. The tonic is the note to which all the other notes are drawn. The tonic is sort of our home base. It's we don't feel like we've gotten home until we get back to the tonic. And you'll notice, by the way, just to add on to that, scale degree 7 is known as the leading tone. And given what we just heard with our ears, 7, doesn't that make sense? Because the leading tone feels like it leads into scale degree 8, the tonic. That gives you at least a little hint of what these words are trying to refer to. There's something about these words that is trying to refer to the function of the notes. How do these notes relate to the other notes in the scale? And there's a lot more to say about that. There's a lot more to look into that, some that goes even way beyond the scope of this particular class. But that at least gives you a hint as to one of the ways in which those names, tonic, supertonic, median, and so forth, can be useful. In the next video, we're gonna investigate a piece of music and see how the scale degree numbers can be useful as well.